the gin garden. It seems like we're having an early English summer, which means barbecues turn into full-on brawls after someone messed with the playlist. Then you got the couple who live opposite having a huge argument over a passive-aggressive comment one of them made earlier. Then there's the police helicopters hovering around at night. And to top it all off, you got my dad's neighbour being a monumental wanker because he's an absolute snowflake who gets offended if he thinks he hears a swear word. The ingredient lineup: gin, I've gone for Hendrick's, Saint Germain, apple juice and cucumber. Let's kick this off by muddling some cucumber slices. Make sure you give these a good muddle. Then we want to follow this up with 2 ounces of 60ml of gin. Follow this up with 1 ounce, that's 30ml of Saint Germain or an elderflower liqueur of your choice. Lastly, add 1 ounce, that's 30ml of apple juice. And to add some ice and give this a shake for around 10 to 13 seconds. History-wise, this drink was created by Dan Warner and Tobias Lopez Garcia at Steam in London around 2001. We're going to double strain this into a martini glass, my old favourite. Then I'm going to top this off with a thin slice of cucumber, which isn't going to want to float for me. The taste test. I'm going to admit I'm not a big fan of this at all. I really do reckon it needs a sour component, especially for my taste buds. Also, being capped in hindsight, I definitely reckon I'll go for a different gin, and that's on me because I messed that one up. So I'll definitely go something a little bit more punchier and a bit more juniper-y. It's also very sweet, but if you love Saint Germain and apple juice, I reckon you'll really like this. But they are really dominant flavours in this drink. But to me, definitely needs a stronger gin, tasting gin, and then some sour components to it.